Here I am, I bought this crappy camera. I was all ready to ship it back. Okay. And I knew what I was getting. I was getting a glorified webcam because the camera inside this, what looks like a camcorder, in fact, does look like a camcorder. All right, how do I hold it? Okay? This does, in fact, look like a camcorder, right? Camcorders, remember those old days? I took the battery plate off because I did a video on how shitty it was and that it didn't work and that. Eventually, they gave me my money back. Fuck, if they know it's going to Canada, why would they put this in here, right? That's for fucking European outlets. And that goes on there, right? So, it looks kind of nice, but you know what? This is like for a 6-year-old child. It literally is. Plastic is, the way how light it is. It's like it's like for a child, for real. So, as I said, they ended up giving me my money back. And I would apologize how I'm filming this right now. I got my cell phone wired to a piece of board up in the shelf beside me. And this is the best I'm going to get. And then this only cost me like $30-something, you know, with shipping and all that crap. You know, $40 or whatever. And I knew what, like I said, I knew what I was getting. I was getting a glorified webcam. I seen all the reviews on this crappy thing, right? And you know, it looks nice, but you know, you look at the lens. It's a webcam. So, except this is a portable webcam, and I knew that, and it was good for in-house filming. Like if I want to do a little video, you know, something I'm going to shoot like from like 3 feet away, you know, you're going to get a good capture, just like a webcam. But outside videos, it's really not going to work. But today, what I'm going to do is figure out why it's not working. And just for shits and giggles, I'm going to plug in the cable, the USB. After a while, I mean, it wasn't even reading my. It wasn't even reading my. So USB, one of those old. Where's my camera? There it is, right there. So let's plug that in. Okay. Got the top part plugged in. Now it's just a matter of plugging this in. And let's see what we get. All right, we get that red light, which is which I had before. I left it on for, I don't know, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, or whatever I said in the video. Maybe I'll show you that video. Power button does not work. Fucking USB. Where the fuck is it? USB. Fucking computer. See, plugged in. See it? See red light? Okay. How long? 10:45. How long charge? After 30 minutes, still doesn't recognize USB cable.
You are on a very tight budget.
And light go out. Why light go out? Huh? Everything connected? But light go out. Why light go out? Okay. Now 1 hour has passed. And the problem, light went out. Light went out. Okay, nothing. It's plugged in. You see that, right? It's plugged in. And it's plugged in here on my computer. Still does not recognize it. What happens if I take it out and plug back in? You hear the noise? Oh shit. Light come on. But no recognize. Open up. Battery. Very hot. Close. Nothing. Just over 1 hour. Let me open. Battery very, very, very hot, man. It's dangerous. If that thing explodes and hurts my cat or me, we have big problems. Why this thing's not working? You tell me. Before had blue light, now no blue light. This camera is not working, my friend. Just for 1 minute, let me pull out the cable. Let's open. Pull this cable out. Battery very hot. Let's try putting on. Nothing. Nothing. If you don't refund my money, I will. Let's not fool ourselves. We're here today to take this piece of crap apart. Let's just pull the battery out for a minute. Shit. Alright, so she's going in this way. And we got that light again. And we're going to get that, I don't recognize you pop up. Well, it's not. I have no idea why it's not recognizing it. So I am going to take this thing apart. How we do that, I don't know. I'm going to have to put my glasses on. Got 4 screws. You just take a little look-see over there. Local disc, and no, these are none of the. I'm looking at my computer. I cannot move my camera, so I apologize for that. That's the only reason why I went out and bought this piece of shit. It's just so I can get off the ground and do stuff. This thing would have fit on my tripod just nicely. Yeah, it's not recognizing again. Yeah, it's not even a question about going into my devices, and I shouldn't have to go into my settings in my computer at all. This thing should be reading it, and it's not. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about getting electrocuted. I think there's only like 3 volts going through here, and if I got a bit of a buzz off this, it'd be just a love tap. Of course, I wouldn't recommend working on any electronics while they're plugged in. Yeah, there's no reason why we're not getting any. This is right beside that red light. There's supposed to be a blue light, and that indicates that it's charging. Okay, the battery is starting to get a little warmer now. The guy told me that this thing had to be fully charged in order to actually work, but just spin that fucking screen around. But wishful thinking, I'm thinking, yeah. I mean, this thing had to be fully charged. They have versions of this camcorder with a real lens in there. This is just a cheap, it's a webcam. And again, I knew what I was buying. I only wanted it for shooting short range videos for like 2-3 feet. You know, any more than that, you're not going to get a close up of what you're doing. So I knew that. That's why I bought it. I only bought it temporarily because cameras are costing like $600 if you want a decent one. You should buy something off of Kijiji or whatever. Yeah, we're not getting anywhere. We're literally not getting anywhere. I just unplug that for a minute. Light went out. Plug it back in. Yeah, there's no reason that I can see, for starters, why it wouldn't recognize. As I said, there's no reason why my computer should not recognize this. I mean, come on. There's no way I'm leaving this plug in for 5 hours. Right out of the box, I turned it on. It worked. Right out of the box. I took a picture, a short video, and then I went to plug it in. I think I transferred the picture onto my computer. I'm going to have to search for that picture. I got thousands. And then I said, well, shit, I'm also just plug it in and charge it up. And it looked like on the screen, the welcome screen that came on, it said it had 3 bars, which is, I'm inclined to believe, is fully charged. But I kept on going, kept charging it. Eventually, I think the light went out. Or the lights went off or some fucking thing. And where's that USB? Goes into there, over to there. Oh, that's for the audio over there. Okay. Yeah, I'm not seeing any reason why I'm not smelling any burnt. Yeah, I'm gonna just, this is over, man. This is not gonna work. You know, it's a shame this thing didn't work. You know, I noticed something. If you look at the box, you see the box there? You see the lens? See how it's got sort of a flared out lens right here. If you actually look at the camera, there's no flared out. I mean, it's a different camera. You know? But you get what you pay for. I mean, it is a cute little thing. Come on. I tested it out and I realized now I deleted the pictures that I had there. Yeah, another thing, you know, the good thing about it I like is that you could flip this thing around. Whoops, I went the wrong way. Oh, shit, there goes the battery. I flipped this thing around. You can flip this thing around. You can see yourself. And I did that. But what happens is you're upside down. So, I mean, even that didn't work correctly. But all in all, it would have been good for shooting some really small, short, in-house videos from 2-3 feet away. And that's what I bought it for. Unfortunately, it didn't work. It's an epic fail, this camera. Shame. That's okay, Dippy. I'll take pictures of you with my phone.